Welcome. In this complete step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use TaxSlayer to file your taxes quickly and accurately. We'll walk through creating your account, entering personal information, adding income sources like W-2s or 1099s, claiming deductions and tax credits, uploading documents, reviewing your return, and filing electronically. I'll also show you how to check your refund status and avoid common filing mistakes. Whether you're filing as an employee, freelancer, or small business owner, this tutorial will help you navigate TaxSlayer with confidence and complete your tax return smoothly. Let's get started. Credits. Thankfully, modern tax software like TaxSlayer makes it easier than ever for individuals, freelancers, and small business owners to file their taxes quickly, accurately, and affordably. In 2025, TaxSlayer remains a top choice among DIY tax filers due to its simple interface, helpful guidance, and competitive pricing. Whether you have a straightforward W-2 return or complex self-employment income, TaxSlayer walks you through each step to ensure you file with confidence and maximize your refund. In this video, we'll cover the features that make TaxSlayer a great platform and explore why it's a reliable option for anyone looking to streamline their tax filing process this year. So for its key features and benefits, first is its user-friendly interface. TaxSlayer offers a sleek and easy-to-navigate dashboard that breaks the filing process into bite-sized steps. From entering personal info to choosing the right deductions, every step is clearly explained. Even first-time filers can complete their return without confusion or frustration. Another key feature is the guided question-based filing. The platform uses a Q&A style system to collect your tax information. Instead of filing out raw IRS forms, you simply answer questions in plain English. This helps you file accurately by reducing the risk of skipping critical information or forms. Another key feature is the smart error detection. TaxSlayer performs real-time checks for missing or inconsistent data as you progress. These built-in safeguards ensure that you don't make costly mistakes. This increases filing accuracy and reduces the chances of IRS rejections or audits. Another key feature is the W-2 and prior year import. You can upload your W-2 by taking a photo or importing it electronically. You can also pull in data from last year's return, even from other tax software. This cuts down on data entry and speeds up the process, especially for repeat users. Another key feature is the tiered pricing with valuable free plan. TaxSlayer's free version supports most basic tax returns, while affordable paid plans cater to self-employed filers, investors, and landlords. This offers great value for both simple and complex returns without unnecessary upselling. Another key feature is the maximum refund guarantee. With refund maximization tools built in, TaxSlayer compares deductions and credits to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. This helps you get every dollar you're legally entitled to, no guesswork involved. And another key feature is the live chat and pro support access. Depending on your plan, you can access live chat, email support, and even guidance from tax professionals. This gives you peace of mind and assistance when you hit a roadblock during the filing process. So why is TaxSlayer a great choice? TaxSlayer continues to be one of the most flexible and cost-effective tax software solutions available in 2025. Its ease of use makes it ideal for casual filers, while its robust features like self-employment support, itemized deductions, and 1099 integration make it equally strong for gig workers and small business owners. What sets TaxSlayer apart is its ability to simplify a complex and stressful task. You don't need to understand every tax rule or form number. The software does the heavy lifting by translating complex tax code into simple questions and answers. You can file confidently knowing that TaxSlayer is built to optimize accuracy and efficiency while putting user experience first. TaxSlayer also shines in customer trust. With years of reliable performance and transparent pricing, it's a trusted tool for millions of filers every year. For anyone looking for a no-nonsense, modern solution to tax season headaches, TaxSlayer is well worth considering. So basically, in a time when convenience, speed, and accuracy matter more than ever, TaxSlayer offers a modern solution for everyday taxpayers. Its guided approach, built-in error detection, and strong refund maximizing features give users everything they need to file with ease. Whether you're a student filing a simple return, a parent looking to claim child tax credits, or a freelancer managing multiple 1099s, TaxSlayer has a plan tailored for your situation. With strong customer support, affordable plans, and a trustworthy reputation, it's a smart move for anyone who wants to take control of their tax filing in 2025. So ready to ditch the paperwork and file smarter? Give TaxSlayer a try and see how stress-free tax season can actually be. So also, if you want to compare the pricing, you can always visit their website and you'll see pricings for this for different subscription plans. So feel free to read. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step TaxSlayer tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to organize your tax documents, claim eligible deductions, and file your return efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on tax software, financial tools, and business management platforms. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific tax situations like self-employment income, credits, or state filing, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.